I'm going to break 75 up into 45 plus 30, or 30 plus 45. We'll achieve the same answer in the end. So 45 plus 30, and I'm going to go back here to my formula sheet. The sum and difference here, when I am adding, I'm going to use this formula. So tangent of A, so I need tangent of 45 plus the tangent of B, which is tangent of 30, all divided by 1, subtract tangent of A times tangent of B. Okay, what is the tangent at 45? I know that is 1. What is the tangent at 30? I know that is going to be positive radical 3 over 3. Just a reminder, these are right here. Okay? I'll put this down to ensure you see the whole thing. There's my numerator, and then my denominator is going to be 1 subtract 1 times radical 3 over 3. So I'm going to do the butterfly method here up top. So let me come up to the top here. I know that I can write, actually, you know what? I know I can write 1 as 3 over 3. 3 over 3 is the same as 1. So 3 over 3 plus radical 3 over 3. And that is 3 plus square root of 3 all over 3. That's going to be my numerator. 3 plus the square root of 3 all over 3. Divided by, now on the bottom, I also have 1 subtract, well, 1 times the square root of 3 over 3. Same thing, so I have 1 subtract radical 3 over 3. And I can rewrite 1 as 3 over 3. So in the denominator, I have 3 subtract the square root of 3 over 3. 3 subtract the square root of 3 over 3. My numerator is 3 plus the square root of 3 over 3. I want to divide that by this quantity, but I know when we divide fractions, I turn division into multiplying, and I flip the second fraction. So right here and right here are going to be simplified into 1, and I have 3 plus the square root of 3 over 3 minus the square root of 3. Now, mathematically, even though that's right, it's not proper to leave it in this form, so I'm going to multiply by the conjugate of the denominator. 3 plus the square root of 3, 3 plus the square root of 3. So on the bottom, I only have to multiply the fronts and the back. So 3 times 3 is 9. A negative times a positive is a negative. The square root of 3 times the square root of 3 is the square root of 9, which is simply 3. So the denominator leaves me with 6. So I have 6. I have to see how Mr. McFarland writes this. I see these are the exact same quantity. So I'm curious if he leaves it in this form or if he expands that. Either way, I would be happy with that. As long as we don't have the square root in the denominator, I'd be happy with this final answer. He may have chosen to take time to FOIL this out. I have not looked at the answer key, but we know how that would look. 3 times 3 is 9. We have 3 groups of 6 square roots of 3, and 3 times 3 is the square root of 9. So 3 plus 3 would be 9 plus 3 square roots of 3. I'm guessing this is what he did. Again, I took this right here and I expanded it. I wrote down this expression or this quantity twice. Multiply the fronts, the insides and the outsides would be 3 groups to the square root of 3, 3 groups to the square root of 3, which adds up to 6. And the square root of 3 times the square root of 3 is the square root of 9, which is 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. So this is my numerator. Remember, this is my denominator. And now this has to be equally shared with the left and the right. So 12 over 6 plus 6 over 6 square roots of 3. So 12 divided by 6 is 2. 6 divided by 6 is 1. So 2 plus the square root of 3. That's probably how he wrote his final answer.